this is Richard from Hit Tools. Today we're going to be introducing our wire pulling grips. If you notice, we have two different types of grips here today and two different types of cable or wire rope for us to pull today. First, before you operate the tool, we always want to notice the capacity of the tool. Now, if you notice here, this has a pulling capacity of thickness of 5 to 22 millimeters, or in inches it's 0.2 to 0.8 inches. Okay. Now there's also a safety load, working load capacity. Over here it says 5,000 pounds or 2 tons. Now if you ever underestimate the pulling load by a little bit, let's say 5,500 pounds, you'll notice that the tool can still hold and pull its load safely, as we always have some safety factor built in here. Now if you noticed a little earlier that this tool is made in Japan, we have a special patented feature. You'll notice a latch over here and a little latch over here. This is what we call a trigger latch. It allows me to open the tool with one hand. Okay? Only one hand. I'm going to get a traditional grip here. This is a traditional grip. This traditional grip requires you to push with two hands. One to hold it down and one to hold it in place. So if you notice, our grip over here, it has a trigger latch. I can operate this completely one-handed and not worry about, and have my other hand free, such as feeding in a wire rope. Okay? Next, you'll notice that we have two different types of pulling material. This over here is steel guy wire, and the one over here is aluminum stranded together, aluminum cable. Okay, so the next part we're going to focus on is our TG45A. This particular tool, I'm going to open up the jaws, and you'll notice that the jaws are very serrated and very sharp. This is what we call aggressive teeth. It will grip onto steel and very hard material, like materials such as wire rope or guy wire. So I'm going to demonstrate here with some a guy wire strand here. It'll latch in and firmly hold into the grip. Now let's say I'm going to put in a steel strap, a web strap hoist to pull it. You'll notice that when I pull it, this thing isn't moving anywhere. Okay, that's due to the nature of the aggressive teeth. It can clamp down very, very firmly onto the steel material, and it won't slip out at all. Okay. The next material we're going to introduce here is our TG45. This tool is more suited for pulling aluminum. I'm going to introduce the jaws to you right here, and you'll notice that the jaws are a lot finer. So there's a lot of these micro small grooves that will hold on to the material without damaging the cable. Okay? So let's now put in our aluminum cable. It's latched in firmly, and then we're also going to put on this strap hoist. Okay, so when I pull this, it's still holding firmly. The fine teeth is holding on to the aluminum cable, and it won't let it slip out of the way. But the real beauty of the fine teeth is that there won't be any damage onto the aluminum cable due to the fine teeth. If we ever used aggressive teeth onto aluminum, it will pull it, but it will leave some teeth marks or bite marks. So that's something you don't want, is to damage the cable. So for aluminum, you're going to want to use this grip. Now usually our tools are meant to be used in horizontal applications, okay, such as a lineman pulling wire rope across two transmission power poles or something. But you know, some people have used it in a vertical application. We haven't tested this ourselves, but some people have latched hooks to pull things out of holes by attaching onto with a wire rope in this case. Now our tools aren't rated for this particular application, but it has been used before. In case you want to do this, use at your own risk, because all our tools are tested, lab tested by pulling it horizontally like this. Okay. If you have any questions about our tools, You can always find more information on our website at hittools.com, and you can always email us and ask for more detailed questions regarding your applications, the capacity and limitations of our tools. Thank you very much for watching our videos, and feel free to always ask us any questions, and we'd be glad to answer them for you.